Welcome students. In this section of organic chemistry practical, we are going to deal with another variety of practical, that is the practicals of organic preparation, and here we are going to study the preparation of benzoic acid from benzamide. Okay. Aim the same preparation of benzoic acid from benzamide. Apparatus required are conical flask, funnel, water condenser and beaker. Yes, I will show this is the conical flask. Okay. Funnel, you are knowing this funnel. This is the water condenser. Okay. The water is running from this is the inlet of water. Pipe is attached to this inlet and water circulate through this condenser, and therefore this condenser is known as water condenser. And beaker, you are knowing well. These are the apparatus required. I think you are used in the base 1 class. This is a conical flask, funnel and beaker you are used. This is the new to you, water condenser. Okay. Then chemicals required is benzamide solid, 10% sodium hydroxide solution and concentrated hydrochloric acid. This is a benzamide powder, sodium hydroxide solution and concentrated hydrochloric acid. Okay. Then procedure, it involves the first step, place 1 gram of benzamide and 15 ml of aqueous sodium hydroxide solution in a conical flask. This is a benzamide. Using balance, you have to take 1 gram of benzamide. Then this is the weight taken on the watch glass. Therefore, you have to report weight of the watch glass. Then second observation, weight of the watch glass plus compound, and therefore weight of the compound taken. Yes, you are used this balance and watch glass in the lower class. Now this benzamide is weighed. Then fit up the water condenser to the flask and reflux, that is boil the mixture gently for 30 minutes when ammonia is freely evolved. That is from the solution ammonia is evolved. This is our flask. This water condenser is attached. The water inlet, water rises, water outlet. Okay, here cotton plug is kept and the heating on the tripod and in the water bath. Okay, using water condenser. This is in our laboratory plus water condenser. This is the water inlet, water outlet. Okay. Now cool the solution after heating in ice cold water and add concentrated hydrochloric acid until the mixture becomes strongly acidic, because we have carried out the reaction in alkaline medium sodium hydroxide. Okay, therefore add concentrated acid, hydrochloric acid till the mixture becomes acidic. Okay, benzoic acid immediately separate out. These are the flask is allowed to stand in ice cold water for about few minutes. This is the flask. Addition of hydrochloric acid. The white product is going to, this is hydrochloric acid, concentrated acid. The flask is kept in the ice cold water. And as the cooling takes place, the benzoic acid, white precipitate is going to obtain in the flask. Okay, and this is the flask with benzoic acid. Okay, you have to recover this by filtration. Then filter off benzoic acid, wash with cold water, dry and weigh the crude product. This is the recrystallize from the hot water. This is the filtration unit. Okay, you have to filter by using this Buckner funnel at suction pump and take the weight of the crude product. Note down the weight of the crude product and then recrystallize the crude product to pure it from hot water, and after take the weight of, we take the melting point of the recrystallized product. The reaction involved in this preparation, yes, we have taken benzamide, and this benzamide is converted to benzoic acid, the evolution of ammonia gas. Now how the reaction takes place? First this benzamide with alkali get converted into sodium salt of benzoic acid and this ammonia gas, and this sodium salt of benzoic acid is decomposed by hydrochloric acid giving the benzoic acid. Thus the first sodium salt is formed, which is decomposed by addition of hydrochloric acid, and thus benzoic acid is obtained. This is the total reaction. Then result, the first result is weight of the crude product. You have to take the weight and note down the weight in grams here, and the melting point of the recrystallized product. You are going to recrystallize the product from hot water and report the melting point. Now students, for writing the experiment in the journal, take the help of this video and the practical handbook of your class. And for writing this experiment, I am giving the hint. Take the weight of the crude product equal to 2 gram and melting point equal to 122 degree centigrade, and therefore you have to write this preparation practically in the journal. Journals means the pages, okay, full-scape paper. Thank you.